Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally got a new ring light. If you couldn't tell, the lighting is actually good now. So today I'm doing the viral Stargirl makeup tutorial. All you're gonna need are star stickers and a glue stick. I got the star stickers from the dollar store. Alright, so you're gonna take a beauty blender and dip into a dark shade and okay, I know what you're thinking. You're only gonna put it under the eyes, don't worry. And then you're gonna put the star stickers on top and it's gonna give that dimensional illusion thing. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know why I put it on my eyebrows. You're not supposed to do that. That just makes your entire life harder, so don't do what I did. But now I'm putting the star stickers on. You can put as many as you'd like on. I put 3 on each side, and then you're gonna take your glue stick and you're gonna glue your eyebrows down. I've never done this before, so I was very nervous, but I think it worked in the end. But you know, I've watched a few Trixie Mattel videos in my time, so basically all you do is put the glue on, powder, concealer, powder, always end with powder, okay? I really don't know why I put the brown over my eyebrows. Miss Girl was a little confused, but that made my life a lot harder. So don't do that. You're supposed to, yeah, don't do that. But you want to make sure that you powder your eyebrows down good. Put as many coats as you need to of concealer and powder. And yeah, that's basically it. You're gonna need a really good full coverage foundation to cover all that brown. And I even went into my little stash of extra makeup and got my like seasonal shade out, because the foundation I use currently, it's like they don't make it anymore. So I thought maybe I should use my old one so I'm not wasting my new one. So I coated that bitch on good. You know, there's probably an easier way to, no, I don't think there's an easier way to do like the brown on the stars. You could straight up draw the stars if you wanted to, but I'm not about to do that, you know what I mean? So anyways, I'm just coating my entire face with foundation like crazy. And no, the background is not gonna go unnoticed. I have a new setup. I changed my room, so I have a new setup for all my videos, and I feel like it's very inviting. It's like, come in my room. Come in my room, don't be shy, come in. So now I'm using my trusty Shape Tape concealer. It is so full coverage, so it's kind of perfect for this makeup look. I've been using this for years, so yeah, it's great. And also, I know that this whole voiceover thing is not really my style. I've never really done a video like this before, but I thought it would be more practical for like makeup videos and stuff, because I can't really talk while I'm doing my makeup, you know? So let me know what you guys think. So anyways, you're gonna be layering product like hell, so be prepared. But do not do the concealer powder thing on your base makeup, only your eyebrows, because otherwise it's gonna get all gross. So just do foundation, concealer, and then a lot of powder, like a lot. You know, I like to think that this Stargirl would be very chiseled, let's put it that way. So you're gonna add a lot of contour, bronzer on your cheekbones. Is that where you put the fact that I don't know. No, like where you put contour on your cheeks, your jawline, your forehead. I should not be doing a tutorial, I'm sorry. But yeah, you're gonna pack that contour on. Also, I actually got a contour palette for Christmas. I got a few different contour things for Christmas, which is very helpful because I don't have a contour. I haven't had a contour for months. I've been using one of the brown shades out of the James Charles palette. So this is a really nice step up for me. You're also gonna put a lot of blush, or no, not a lot of blush. I don't have a lot of blush on. You're gonna put a medium amount of blush and then a lot of highlight. You wanna be glittering, you know? Alright, so now I'm doing nose contour. You want your nose contour to be very defined, but I basically did what I do every day. I always make my nose contour like very extra. And by the way, I use the highlight by Anastasia. It's called Snowflake Loose Highlighter. A lot of people ask for that. It's literally straight glitter. It's amazing. So that's what I use to do my highlight on my nose and in my inner corners. So that's what I'm using here. And now I'm just drawing on eyebrows. The reason I covered up my eyebrows because I wanted my eyebrows to match the makeup look more. So I used a light brown shade to draw on eyebrows to match the stars on my face. And I've never done this before. I've never drawn eyebrows. I was very nervous, but I think it turned out okay. I mean, you know, trust the process, because this process was rough. It was. So yeah, I'm drawing on my eyebrows, and if you have light eyebrows naturally, you just got lucky because you don't really gotta do anything for this makeup look. But now I'm carving them out with some concealer, and then what is it called? It's by Benefit. It's like the brow gel. I use that. Yeah, like I want these eyebrows to last a long time. Like I literally glued them down. I am actually so scared. I have this makeup on right now still, and what if my eyebrows fell off? Like I really don't know. So be grateful if you have light eyebrows. Or bleached eyebrows. If you have bleached eyebrows, that's perfect for this look. I had bleached eyebrows like almost a year ago now. It was okay. It wasn't my best look. Ooh, look at those eyeliner skills. Ooh! I'm sorry. People always ask me for eyeliner tutorials. I don't know how to give you a tutorial. Like, I just do it. Like, I don't know. Practice? But yeah, for this look, I'm just doing a basic wing. Nothing crazy like I normally would do because the eyes aren't the focus of this look. It's the face, which is weird because I feel like when you do like crazy makeup looks, like it's always focused on the eyes, but this one's on the face, so it's very different for me. And you can't forget the beauty marks. Always gotta put my beauty marks. Also, I did the inner corner wing. And another little crazy out of my comfort zone thing is that I actually used eyeshadow like how you're intended to use it. I just used like a dark brown shade over my eyeliner because usually I use eyeshadow every other way you can, like blush, contour, highlight, eyebrows, like lips. I used eyeshadow for my lips today, same shade actually as my eyes. But yeah, I put like a little brown shade on my eyes to bring it all together. I put it under my eyes too, so you'll see that too. I also put some glitter under my eyes. It's like a liquid eyeshadow glitter. I think it was from yesstyle, I think. Yeah, these things are amazing and they're really cheap. So I already put the glue on the lashes to let them sit. You're gonna need some big lashes for this look. Putting on mascara while I'm waiting for them to dry, but I just used my everyday lashes because I already use big lashes. But yeah, you're gonna need some big ones to pull in this look. Otherwise, it's just not, I don't know, it's not gonna be the same, okay? And ideally, you would use a brown lipstick for this look, but I don't own a brown lipstick, so I just used an angled brush with some brown eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure the same shade I used for my eyeshadow. And I just put that all over my lips, kind of did like a little gradient with a darker shade in the middle, and I kind of came out looking like Kim Possible, but I think it works, you know? Now I'm kind of cleaning up the edges with some concealer, and then I put on some gloss. I used the darkest gloss I had, which was a Too Faced lip injection, and it was like a dark pink, so I just used a little bit of it and spread it around, and for some reason I was shocked that the stars worked. Like, I haven't done this makeup look before, like, I don't know. Chances are the stars aren't gonna turn out perfect, so your best solution is to use like a little angled brush and dip it into the same brown shade and kind of fix up the points of the stars. And then you're gonna take a like a blunt circle shaped brush like what I just used, and you're gonna take a white shade and just put a little dot in the middle of each star to kind of add a little bit of highlight. And yeah, that's basically it for the stars. I don't even know how I managed to just drop the lash and the tweezers like that, but I did. So yeah, you're gonna use some big lashes like mine, and I decided to put a wig on because my hair was just not it, and obviously it was painful. But yeah, that's basically the final look complete. I'm really giving Kim Possible Shigo almost, like, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Wow, I really look like Shigo. Let me know what you guys think about the voiceover type videos. I'll definitely do more of them if you guys like them. And yeah, I will see you next week.